Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Phala or PHA coin. In today's video, I want to show you a very long-term down channel that Phala has formed on the daily time frame, and we will also take a look at this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and Phala has broken out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to share my previous analysis with you that I shared after the drop from April to August or July 2021, when the price line of Phala completed a very big harmonic bullish reversal Gardley move, and you can see that the price line entered the buying zone. I shared this chart with my members at the Patreon on 16th of August 2021, and our targets, by the way, this falls against the Bitcoin with the Bitcoin pair. Our targets were from 2160 to 0.00002689 Bitcoins. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line, after some accumulation in this buying zone, rallied very well up to 0.00002597. That was more than 55% rally and dropped down. Now, if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart with the US dollar pair, then Phala has completed a down channel. It has formed a down channel from September 2021 to up till now. It is not able to break out the resistance of this down channel. The point to be noted here that Phala is testing the resistance more than the support. That is a quite clear signal that we are about to break out the resistance at any time. Now, if we take a look at this RSI oscillator here, then we can see when the price line was forming this low and the next low was lower than previous low, but RSI was forming the opposite. It was forming the next low higher than the previous low. Therefore, there is also a bullish divergence on this daily time frame, and while the price line has reached at this resistance, it is also breaking out the resistance of this red line that is the EMA 21 exponential moving average 21 on the daily time frame. Once the price line will be able to break it out and also break out the resistance of the channel, this EMA 21 then will be very useful, and it will work as a very long-term support for the price line. Now, if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame chart, here Phala completed an inverse head and shoulder pattern, and this was the left shoulder. Here we had the head, and here we had the right shoulder of the head and shoulder pattern, and this was the neckline, and the price line has broken out the resistance of this head and shoulder pattern, the neckline, and our target after breaking out was here at approximately 29 cents, but the price line rallied even beyond that. That was 32.99, 33 cents. And at 33 cents, we have a very strong resistance. If we switch to the daily time frame chart from here, then we can see previously on the long term, it has been working as a very strong support here in December 2021 and even in January 2022 as well. And once it was broken down, then it turned into this resistance after working as a support. Now it is working as a very strong resistance, and the price line is rejected. If I will show you on the hourly time frame, then we can see that we are completely rejected, and even we are moving down then the next support of 30 cents as well, and moving towards the next support of 27 cents. That is also very strong support. You can see this 27 cents has been working as a very nice support here, and resistance here as well. Therefore, we need to look upon this support. If it will be broken down, then it can also test this support of the right shoulder that will be at 22 cents. So this support is very important of 27 cents. For example, if the price line moves more down, then we can expect a reversal from here, and then it can make another attempt to break out the next resistance levels as well. Now, if we take a look at the target for this down channel, then target can be the top of the channel. That will be approximately at $1.15 here. And there we also have a very strong resistance as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.